How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on TikTok, whether you're dealing with unwanted messages or just need to clear up your feed. Blocking someone can be a quick way to take control. And don't worry, I'll show you how to unblock them if you change your mind. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your TikTok app and simply make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply find the video or find the person that you want to block. Now, once you found it, tap on their profile, tap on share icon, and simply tap on block and confirm that you want to block the person. Once you've done that, simply you can go back. Now, to unblock them, what you can do is simply tap on your profile icon, go to three horizontal bars and settings and privacy. Now, scroll down a little bit and tap on privacy. Here, tap on blocked accounts and simply tap on unblock to unblock any of the user that you want to unblock. And that's it. That's how you can simply block and unblock someone on TikTok with just a few simple steps.